start. From the judgment coming under appeal, it appears that before the High Court, the promotion granted to respondent number 5 was assailed on one of the grounds that respondent number 5 did not possess the requisite educational qualifications. It was stated before the High Court that there were three options in regard to educational qualifications, and respondent number 5 came in third option that required a second class master's degree in economic commerce in Hindi medium with English as in an elective subject at bachelor's degree level. It was submitted before the High Court that respondent number 5 did not fulfill the requirement of educational qualifications and he was wrongly given the promotion. The High Court considered the submission and rejected it, holding that respondent number 5 duly fulfilled the academic qualifications as well. Apparently, the High Court was not informed and it was completely overlooked that the educational qualifications referred to by the appellant pertain to the entry level post of Hindi officer in Scale 1. Since the issue of the educational qualifications came under discussion in the High Court judgment before respondent number 5, a number of affidavits have been filed both by the appellant and respondent number 5, bringing on record his master's degree, the bachelor level mark sheet and courses of studies etc. of Agra University. On the basis of the affidavits and the enclosed documents, the appellant seeks to contend before the High Court that though satisfying the first part of the educational criteria of having a master's degree in commerce in Hindi medium, respondent number 5 did not have English as an elective subject at the bachelor degree level. Mr. A.K. Srivastav, learned senior advocate appearing for the appellant, set forth before the court in great detail the various documents obtained from the Agra University contending that the claim of respondent number 5 that he had elective English at the bachelor's level was not borne out from the university documents. Needless to say that on behalf of respondent number 5, it is equally strenuously argued that he fully satisfied that the educational criteria and he had English as one of the subjects at the graduate level. In our considered view, the matter of educational qualification of respondent number 5 is a non-issue insofar as his promotion is concerned. As noted above, the educational qualifications referred to by the appellant pertain to the entry-level post of Hindi officer scale 1. The appellant was promoted as Hindi officer clause 1 in 1976 and respondent number 5 came to join that post in 1978. Later on, both of them were promoted to scales 2nd and 3rd, and it was after about 20 years of entry into service that both of them came up for consideration for promotion. Even while the selection process was going on, the appellant did not raise this objection before the bank management. The objection was taken for the first time before the High Court, and at that stage too, it was not made clear that the educational qualifications were not relevant for the promotion in question, but that pertained only to the entry-level post at this stage. Therefore, we are completely disinclined to go into the question of the educational qualification of respondent number 5. More so since it is not at all conclusive or clear that respondent number 5 did not have English as one of the elective subjects at the graduation level. Stop.